Welcome to the world of Jones Knows. We're out at one of my jobs to see Lifeproof vinyl flooring. Today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
If you're new to the channel, my name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor. Today we're out at one of my job sites where we just finished up some beautiful Lifeproof vinyl flooring. So without any further ado, let's go take a look at it. Alright, let's go look at some Lifeproof flooring all cleaned up and completed. Wait, before we show you that new Lifeproof, let's show you what it looked like before we installed the floor. Now it's time to see our Lifeproof flooring. We installed over 1,000 feet of Lifeproof's Chiffon Lace Oak. We did the entire house, and of course we flowed all of our doorways without moldings. My customers have come to expect that from me, and I wouldn't do it any other way. Unlike most floating installations, vinyl expands the least. Don't let anybody tell you you need to put a molding in a doorway. It's not necessary. This floor looks amazing and feels even better when you walk on it. And of course it's waterproof, so we can install it in kitchens, bathrooms, anywhere where moisture will normally appear. One of the things that I try to do is make sure I have all kind of different color caulkings and fillers to use wherever we end our floors tight. You always need to still put something there just to really finish it off nicely. Clay is the color of caulking that we're using with this Lifeproof floor, and it looks awesome. It's the attention to detail on all the little things. By doing color caulking, choosing the right quarter round, this sets us apart from everybody else. Now, one of my favorite things about this job ended up being the quarter round. Yes, I said it, the quarter round. Can you believe it? I normally hate quarter round, but in this case, the trim that I found for them to use as quarter round looks pretty darn good. Now, it's not installed yet, but you can get the idea. It's gonna look really good. Now, one of the reasons I chose this particular trim was the point at the top of it matched the point at the top of the baseboard. It looks like they were meant to go together. I'd like to hear what you think about this quarter round, and I'll try to put some information about it in the description below. This is Chiffon Lace Oak by Lifeproof, and Lifeproof never disappoints me and continues to remain one of my favorite waterproof vinyl floors. Wow, as usual, that Lifeproof looks amazing. If you like this video and you want to see more, please help support our channel. Please like, share, and of course, if you already haven't, subscribe. And if you really want to help support our work, we have a PayPal link below. We're trying to improve our camera and audio equipment so our videos get even better. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and I even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them. I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.